Hey, my beautiful people. So, today we are going to do a silk press using Nadash's method. I'm pretty sure Homegirl has unlocked the cheat code. Plus, I got a giveaway for you guys. Yay. So, stay tuned. Today, we're going to be using Carol's Daughter Leave In Conditioner. We're also going to be using the Tresemme Heat Protectant Spray. Y'all know this is classic. And the BioSilk Silk Therapy. So on my freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, because y'all know that is key, you have to have a good foundation for a good silk press. I am putting on the leave-in conditioner first, and then the heat protectant spray, and then I'm going to use a small amount of the silk therapy on each section. Now I'm doing sections because y'all know how some people are like, my hair stays wet for hours, sometimes days. Not mine. Mine doesn't do that. So I was like, let me do it by section because if my hair gets dry, I can just take a spray bottle and wet it down again. I can take the leave-in conditioner and wet it down again, but I can't really do that if I already put the silk all over my hair. It's gonna block out that moisture. So I want to make sure that I was making sure my hair was moisturized before starting this process, because that is the key. So each section I just took and I sectioned off smaller. If it was a larger section, I would try to section off smaller parts to get that silk therapy into my hair, onto my hair strands, so that we weren't gonna have any reversion problems. Okay, so y'all gonna see me do that on some of these bigger parts where you see me break it down little by little, and then I'm just gonna twist it and then wrap it around itself, clip it up until I'm ready to blow dry, because y'all know the blow dry is key. And if you mess up that blow dry on this silk press, your hair probably is not going to come out the best, or you're gonna have to use way too much heat during the flat iron process, and that's just gonna cause damage that we don't want. We want a cute hairstyle, but we want our curls back at the end of the day, correct? Well, some people, they may not, but I do. So I'm taking this iron brush, and I had just received it that day. I also did not want to, I couldn't find scissors, and I was like, I'm not putting my mouth on this, COVID, all that stuff. Nah, I'm good. um and I was like, I'm just gonna leave it on there, so if that bothers y'all, I'm sorry. I was not putting my mouth on there. I could not find scissors. So it works no different, right? You want to create tension on your hair to get it as straight as possible. And that's what we're going to do here with the paddle brush and the blow dryer. If your blow dryer has the little nozzle, use that. It'll help concentrate. That's what it's called, a concentrator. It will concentrate that heat better onto your hair strand to help you straighten it. Now, I don't know who blow dryer this is, but it did not have a concentrator. Y'all know my blow dryer is purple, and I could not find it anywhere. It was appeared. It does have a concentrator, but I wasn't gonna order a concentrator that may or may not fit on this blow dryer. So I was just like, we're gonna make it do what it do. And you want to make sure that your blow dry is done nicely, because this is the base for your silk press. Your silk press will come out a lot better if you have a better foundation with this blow dry. So make sure you're creating tension and getting that hair as straight as possible with that blow dry. It also help you not to have to use as much heat when you get ready to straighten it, because your hair will be basically dry and straight. Not basically dry. It will be dry and basically straight. The straighter you can get it, the better. Okay, so let's talk about the giveaway. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I've wanted to give away something for years. Like I did a giveaway, and I was like, I just want to keep doing this, but my bank account was like, nah, girl, we can't do that. And back in March for my YouTube anniversary, I was like, I really want to do a giveaway, and I asked my Instagram followers, and they told me what to give you guys, and I was like, yay, this is perfect. And my mental health was like, no, we not recording, we not putting no makeup on, we definitely not editing. If y'all don't know, I hate editing. But then a few weeks ago, I hit 500 subscribers, and I was like, perfect timing. So we are giving away an Amazon gift card, because why should I pick out what you guys want when I can just give you the gift card and you can buy whatever you want or need? Perfect. And the holidays are coming up, and fall is coming. You might want to get you a piece of fall clothing. you might want to get some decorations. Who knows? So basically that's what we're going to give out, and I'm going to tell you guys how to enter. It's very simple. First, you have to be subscribed. Your subscriptions have to be public, because if I cannot see them, make sure they're public around September the 18th, because if I cannot see them, I do not know that you're subscribed. I don't get a notification that you're subscribed, and if I can't verify that you're subscribed to my channel, I cannot choose you as the winner. So that's the first thing. Second thing is simple. Every video from this one until September 17th is a way for you to enter. You're just going to leave a comment down below. And if you're like, Ashley, I don't like to leave comments, I'm going to give you guys simple prompts that you can comment down below, because I'm that girl too. If I don't know what's coming, or I don't really have anything to comment, I don't say anything. So for this one, if you want to comment and you want to enter, and you don't have a regular comment, all you have to do is leave your favorite emoji or emojis, or tell me what other content you want to see. Hopefully not another silk press, because I've done 2 back to back and we need to give my hair a break. Okay. But tell me what you want to see, because I am planning out September's content right now, and I would love to know what you guys want to see. So there's that. And basically I'm gonna give you a different prompt for every video. Also, if you want to post a regular comment and then you want to post the emojis and then you want to post the answer to what video you want me to do next, that will count. Every video you can enter up to 3 comments, but the comment, it has to be like 1 regular comment or answering the 2 questions that I'm gonna give you per video. Do not spam my comment section, okay? Don't be A, B, C, and D, and E, F, G, and down my comment section, okay? Because it's not going to count, okay? So that's basically how that's going to go. You comment down below that up to 3 comments will give you an entry. And I have to be able to see that you're subscribed. So the giveaway is from today to September 17th. And that's it, guys. Okay, so back to the video. I'm using the Chase method here. I love using the Chase method. I am also using my Izzytex flat irons. These are so good. I will link the original video of when I first got these and test these out, so you guys can watch that later. They used to be called Izzy Nummies, if I remember correctly. And I wanted them so bad for so long. And when they finally went on sale, I was like, I'm buying them. But I like to use the Chase method because I just noticed my hair gets a lot straighter and has a lot more uniformed when I use the Chase method. I also like using the Chase method because if you don't get your hair completely detangled, before you start to run the flat iron over that tangled mess, and y'all know some flat irons will pull your hair. We'll snatch that hair on right up and snatch it right on out your head. I like to just use the Chase method because if I hit one of those knots, I can take my flat iron off my head, I can remove that comb, and I can gently detangle my hair without causing damage, because you do not want to be causing damage for a hairstyle. That defeats the purpose. We are here to grow healthy hair. We're here to make our hair look as nice and as strong as possible. Can't do that if you breaking your hair off every time you blow dry it, every time you flat iron it, every time you twist it up. You know. Okay, so let's talk about my hair real quick, because I don't think I said anything about it since then. So the last time I textured my hair was in 2020. I did not purposely do this. I went natural on accident. So let's talk about that. That last video that I posted on my channel about me texturing my hair was the last time that I textured my hair. I then learned how to do box braids. I was like super excited about that, and I kept box braids in my hair because I'm like, this is easy, and I can film, I can take pictures, I can Instagram without being like, my hair is messed up today. Because I don't have to have makeup on, but if my hair looks good, I feel great. Okay. So I was like, I'm loving braids right now, and that's what I'm gonna keep, because there's no use of me braiding up my hair, relaxing my hair just to braid it back up. That defeats the purpose. So we're just gonna keep braids in our hair And that's what I did. And one day I looked up and I was natural and I was like, I love these curls. I love these coils. I tried to go natural before, but I was going to do the where you transition and you slowly chop off your relaxed ends. And baby, I almost lost it that day. I tried to stay on my hair and I was like, forget this, and I begged my mama to bring me a relaxer home. um but yeah, I'm natural now, not on purpose, on accident, and I'm pretty sure I will go back to being Tex-Lax one day. But for now, I'm good. I like my natural hair. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna like see it through and play around and just like enjoy it, like, cause that's what I'm doing right now. I'm enjoying my relaxed hair. And I'm just gonna style it up a few different ways, and eventually one day maybe I will go back to being Tex-Lax. I've loved my hair in every state. I loved it when it was relaxed. I loved it when it was Tex-Lax. I love it when it's natural. And I've gotten experience styling it in all those different ways. So it doesn't really matter what state it's in. But y'all know me. I like to do whatever I want to do to my hair, and people are not going to tell me don't relax it, or you should go natural, or you should relax, or you should Tex-Lax. I'm gonna do whatever I feel like doing to my hair personally. But yeah, this is where I'm at, and I'm loving it because I'm retaining length right now because I've been keeping my hair braided and moisturized. I've been taking a lot of good care of it in the middle of this panoramic. So yeah, I just see my hair growing back and it's thicker, and it does need a haircut. I do, baby. I need a haircut bad. And I did chop off some ends, but I'm just trying to keep from chopping all my hair off because I ain't gonna lie. Every time I get frustrated and I can't figure out what I want to do with my hair next, I'm like, we could just cut it all off. We could cut it all off. We can cut it all off. So I'm trying to keep from doing that because I'm like, it is really thick again. It is really retaining length. So we gonna stop cutting it off because I really do want to get back to armpit length like I was when I was a kid. But okay. All right, guys. So what y'all think of this? I love it. Y'all should go watch my other silk press videos. I have tried out some other products, and I think you guys should go watch those. They are linked right here. Don't miss them. Don't miss them.